Brazil passes 100,000 COVID-19 deaths, as cases top 3 million. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. The fatalities milestone comes less than 5 months after Brazil recorded its first COVID-19 related death. The ministry said 100,477 people have lost their lives and 3,012,412 have been infected. In the last 24 hours, 905 people have died from COVID-19. The day was marked by manifestations of solidarity with the victims' families and critics of the federal government. Many Twitter users marked their messages with the hashtag #100,000 deaths. In Rio de Janeiro, the NGO Rio of Peace placed 100 crosses in the sand and showed a poster asking, "Why are we the second in number of deaths?" Brazil is now the second country in the world to reach the bleak milestone, attributed by critics to the country's haphazard response to the outbreak, personified in President Jair Bolsonaro's leadership. As cases began to grow in March, and state governors began to act to contain the spread, Bolsonaro argued that the economy could not be sacrificed for the sake of public health. He criticized unpopular quarantine and shelter-in-place measures, hugging supporters at rallies without a face mask, while encouraging people to continue work and boosting the unproven drug chloroquine as a cure. Bolsonaro has clashed with his health ministers, losing 2 in a span of a month, and choosing a military general with no background in medicine or public health to take over the role. Bolsonaro tested positive for the virus in July as cases were skyrocketing in the country, and the healthcare system in several states became stretched to the limit. On Thursday, Bolsonaro said on Facebook Live, "The number of COVID-19 deaths is reaching 100,000. We are going to get on with life and look for a way to get away from this problem," said. Getting on with life, however, has not been easy for Daniel Gustavo Veloso, a 34-year-old businessman who lost his father to COVID-19. "You don't know how painful it is to arrive at the hospital and see your father inside a black garbage bag." The fatalities milestone comes less than 5 months after Brazil recorded its first COVID-19 related death. The ministry said 100,477 people have lost their lives and 3,012,412 have been infected. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below.